welcomes you all. Today I discuss about the research paper publication in Web of Science journal that will publish within a month or 2 months. So this is the very big question to how we will search out this type of the journal that will publish within a short duration. So let's start how to publish in the Web of Science journal SCI index journal within a short duration publication. So first journal name is the Journal of System and Software. This is the first journal, that is the journal title, and this is the Elsevier Science Inc. This is the publisher. Now this is the all about the journal, so you can search out your area and aim and scope about your research. Now this is the brief description of journal. So the journal website, if you want to go to the journal homepage, you just click on this side. This is the publisher side, and the main important thing is the publication duration is the monthly. So all the issues, 12 issues are published within a year. So दिस इज़ द ओनली मंथली जर्नल पब्लिकेशन. तो हर महीने ये पेपर पब्लिश करता है. दैट इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. एससीआई इंडेक्स जर्नल है और हर महीने पब्लिश होता है. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो इस पर क्लिक करना है. जैसे आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे आप जर्नल के होम पेज पर पहुंच जाएंगे. देन यू नीड टू सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल look about this journal homepage. So this is the publisher name, Elsevier. This is the renowned journal of System and Software. This is the impact factor of the journal and site score 4.25. Now explore all the details, abstract and indexing. So we can also check out the about the indexing. So science citation and indexing expand as we are discussing. So this is the SCI index journal, Web of Science journal. So that is the very important journal, and now this is also indexing in the Scopus journal. So all the researcher, those who are belongs to this particular title, may submit your research paper in this particular journal. So you know about the publishing, how we will publish. So just you need to create your account. तो अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के बाद आपको अपने मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट अब इस पर्टिकुलर गाइडलाइन के अकॉर्डिंग, जो भी गाइडलाइंस हैं फॉर ऑथर, उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपनी मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट को, रिसर्च पेपर को रेडी करना है. देन आपको पेपर को सबमिट करना है और विद इन ए मंथ आपका पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज द जर्नल ऑफ सिस्टम एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. सो दिस इज ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस. नेक्स्ट वन इज द टेली कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. दिस इज फॉर द ऑल्सो द मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी जर्नल्स एंड दिस इज पब्लिश्ड बाय द स्प्रिंगर. दिस लाइक द एल्सवियर, स्प्रिंगर आल्सो अनदर पब्लिशर that publish the quality research paper. And if you want to go to the journal home page, you can just click on this particular. Now this is the publication time. So this is the also the monthly publication of the journal. So just you need to create your account onto the Springer home page, and then you need to create or prepare or your manuscript as per the guideline, and then finally submit to the journal for publication. Next one is the IEEE transaction on mobile computer. So this is the very renowned journal. So this is the publisher is the IEEE computer, and this is the briefly description about the journal website. If you want to go to the site of the journal website, just you need to click on this particular site. And now the important thing is the publication duration only monthly. So this is also the very big things to all the researchers. So this is the IEEE transaction paper journal published monthly. Next one is the environmental modeling and software. So जिन सभी रिसर्चर्स की एम एंड स्कोप्स इस पर्टिकुलर टाइटल के अकॉर्डिंग एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, वो इस पर्टिकुलर जर्नल में अपनी मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट सबमिट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द पब्लिशर, एल्सवियर इज द जर्नल. Now the description about this journal. So this is also published monthly, 12 issue per year, and you can go to the journal homepage by clicking on this particular link. Now next one is the environmental modeling and software that we have already discussed. So this is the impact factor and site score. Now you can check the indexing and Web of Science and Scopus, whether it is SCI research. So you can just find out SCI indexed and also the Scopus index. So that is the very renowned thing and very good thing to all of you. Next one is the journal name is the Artificial Intelligence Journal. Publisher is the Elsevier, and publication monthly, and within 45 days it publish your manuscript. So this is the impact factor, site score, and now you can check the indexing. Likewise, next one is the Applied Soft Computing. This is also another journal that published by the Elsevier and published within 45 days. Impact factor and site score, and now you can explore the indexing and abstracting. So this is the very good important thing. So SCI index, and so this is the Scopus index and SCI index journal. Next one is the Advances in Engineering Software. So those who comes under this existing particular title, like the computer engineering, information technologies, can publish their research paper into this particular journal. This is published by the Elsevier. So just you need to click on the abstract index and check about this thing. Next one is the Computer and Electrical Engineer. So this journal is specially dedicated to the electrical engineering, computer engineering, information technology, MCA. So all the types of the branches comes under this particular scope, aim and scope. So just you need to click on this abstracting indexing, and just you can check out about the indexing and abstracting. So this is the very important thing to all of us, whether it is published in the data indexed in the Scopus or SCI index. So this is the very good journal. Next journal name is Computers and Electricals Engineering. Now next one is the Computers and Concrete. So that its name indicating. So this is the kind of area and scope those who can publish their research paper as per their aim and scope. So I think it's a name indicator. This is multidisciplinary journal. तो इसमें टेक्नो इट पब्लिश्ड बाय द टेक्नो प्रेस. एंड नाउ अबाउट द ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, दिस पब्लिश द मंथली जर्नल. So now if you want to publish their research paper, just you need to click on this particular link, and you will be reach out on the official home page of the journal. Next one is the Information and Management. So this journal is specially dedicated to the management students and also the computer engineering, information technology engineering, electrical engineering. Now the publication monthly is the bi-monthly. So this journal publish your research paper within 2 months. And now if you want to go to their same process, click on this particular site, so you will reach out on their home page. So this is the journal, and now this is the impact factor 4.12 and site score 6.97. and if you want to explore all the things about the journal, you can explore. Now next one is the journal name is the Display. Now this journal published bi-monthly, and if you want to go to the particular journal home page, so you can go, just click on this particular site, and this is the publisher, so you can see, explore all the things accordingly. Next one is the ACM Transaction Journal on Computer Human Interaction, and it is published by the ACM itself. तो ACM के थ्रू ये पब्लिश किया जाता है. ACM आल्सो एक पब्लिशर्स है, और ये जर्नल विद इन 2 मंथ्स के अंदर आपकी रिसर्च पेपर को पब्लिश कर देगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो टू द पर्टिकुलर जर्नल होम से पेज, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर साइट, एंड डायरेक्टली यू कैन डायरेक्टली सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर टू द पर्टिकुलर सबमिशन साइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द मेडिकल इमेज एनालिसिस. तो जितने भी रिसर्चर्स हैं जो मेडिकल इमेज से रिलेटेड अपना रिसर्च कैरी आउट कर रहे हैं, वर्क कर रहे हैं रिसर्च पर, फेस रिकग्निशन, बहुत सारे मेडिकल इमेज एनालिसिस पर, इमेज प्रोसेसिंग पे काम कर रहे हैं, वो अपने रिसर्च पेपर को इस पर्टिकुलर एल्सवियर जर्नल पेपर जर्नल से, एल्सवियर पब्लिशर से, काफ़ी अच्छा रिनाउंड जर्नल से, और 2 मंथ के अंदर ये आपका मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट और रिसर्च पेपर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट पब्लिश कर देगा. If you want to go to the journal website, you can directly go to the medical image analysis. Impact factor is very good, 8.8. that is the very huge impact factor. So now if you want to explore all the things, abstracting and indexing, just click on the abstract indexing, so you can check out about the Scopus and SCI index. So that is the very important. So this is the SCI index and Scopus. So this journal is very good. Now next one is the computer aided geometric design. This also publish your research paper within 2 months, and you can check the indexing of this journal by click on the abstract and indexing particular link. So you can check this about the Scopus Index journal and Science Citation Index. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द कंप्यूटर्स एंड केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग. तो कंप्यूटर, आईटी इंजीनियरिंग, मल्टीपल डिसिप्लिनरी के अकॉर्डिंग तो आप अपना एरिया इसमें अंदर एम एंड स्कोप के अंदर जाकर देख सकते हैं. एंड स्पेशली डेडिकेटेड टू द केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग, दोज हु आर कम्स इन टू द पर्टिकुलर स्कोप कैन पब्लिश देयर रिसर्च विद इन ए 2 months, and you can check the indexing. So whether it is Scopus index or SCI index, so you can check. So this is also the, you can see Scopus index and Science Citation Index. Now next one is the computer and education. This is also the Science Direct provided by the Science Direct journal, and you can check everything through this particular links, useful link. So these are the journal, top most journal, SCI index journal and Scopus index journal that publish your research paper within 1 month to 2 month. तो 1 महीने से लेकर 2 महीने के अंदर आपकी रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिकेशन स्कोपस एंड SCI इंडेक्स, वेब ऑफ साइंस इंडेक्स जर्नल के अंदर आपकी पब्लिश हो सकती हैं. तो आप इन जितने भी मैंने आपको जर्नल यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले किए, अगर आपकी कोई स्पेसिफिक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड से और आप बिलोंग करते हैं तो आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए. मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो क्रिएट करके आपको भेज दूंगा, जिससे आपकी रिसर्च में काफ़ी हद तक मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर सकूँ. दैट इज़ वाई एम टू सपोर्ट एवरीथिंग. सो इफ़ यू फाइंड यूजफुल दिस चैनल टू support into your research guidance and kind of help to your research paper publication, please subscribe and like and share this channel, and also share with your friends and also help your friend by sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video.